for these quadratics, it has more than one variable, but it's pretty much treated the same. The first thing I check is to see if there's a number I can divide all the numbers by, and there's not, because 1, 4, and 12, there's nothing in front of a variable, it's a 1. They don't have anything in common that I can take out. So the next thing you check and see if the first and last term are perfect squares. Well, x squared is definitely a square, but 12 is not. The square root of 12 is not perfect. So it's not a perfect square trinomial. So now you notice, you look in front of x squared. There is no number in front of x squared. So when there's no number in front of x squared, I make 2 sets of parentheses, and then I just start splitting everything up. So I have 2 x's. I want to split those up evenly, so 1 in each one. I always bring the first sign down, so that's a minus. Now to get this next sign, you do not bring down the next sign. What I do is I use this little plus and 2 minuses, and I cross off what the original problem had. So a minus and a minus scratches out. When you do that, whatever's left is what goes in the second set of parentheses. So if you do that, if you always bring down the first sign and then do this little triangle thing for the second sign, you'll never mess up your numbers. Okay, now I want to work backwards. I want the factors of 12. So the factors of 12, 12 divided by 1 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Those are the factors of 12 that when I subtract them, give me a 4. So when you do 6 minus 2, you get a 4. Now here's the key to not messing up on your signs. You want to always put the biggest number first. So 6 here, 2 here, and you're finished. So again, oops, I am so sorry. You also had a y at the end, you've got to split those up evenly. So just put those with those numbers. Okay, now that's it. Okay, 2 sets of parentheses. Split up your x's. Bring down the first sign. For the second sign, the original problem had a plus and a minus. Scratch those out. That means this has to be a minus. Okay, I want the factors of 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And you're repeating yourself, so you're finished. I want to subtract to get 8. So that's 9 and 1. Put the biggest one first. And then you also had 2 y's here that you need to split up evenly. And now you're finished. Two sets of parentheses. Split up your x's. Now for this, see how all the signs are positive? That means everything stays positive. That's the only time I don't use a little triangle is when everything's positive. Okay, I want the factors of 18. So 18 divided by 1 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 4 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, and 6 we've already got. Okay, we want to add to get 9. So 6 and 3, biggest one first, and we also had 2 y's that need split up evenly as well.